I'm Beth Saltz and this is Nutrition in the Kitchen. Today we are going to make homemade fruit roll-ups. So when you buy fruit roll-ups or fruit gummies or fruit leather at the grocery store, there's a long ingredient list and most of them have fake colors as well. So we are going to make ours with only 2 ingredients, strawberries and sugar. So here's what you'll need. You'll need a cookie sheet, and then on top of the cookie sheet you need a sheet of parchment paper. I love the Reynolds cookie sheets because they fit perfectly and they're already cut, but you can use any parchment paper that you have. You do need the parchment paper because later at the end we're gonna roll them up and that's how they'll be stored. Fresh strawberries, so I used about this amount. You wanna wash them and take the stems off. And these are pretty sweet, so I'm gonna add just about a 1/4 cup of sugar. Let's get started. When it's time to take these out of the oven. This has been about 4 hours and I had a pretty thin layer of fruit. A thicker layer is going to take longer. You want to make sure that there's maybe a little bit of stickiness, but it's not dry and brittle. When we cut it, we don't want it to break because it's so dry or brittle. So a little bit of stickiness, but no soft liquidy parts. I actually like to let mine relax at room temperature, just hang out either till the morning or maybe just a few hours. So we'll come back soon and roll them and cut them. Once you have the basic recipe down, it's easy to make a bigger batch. Just double or triple the recipe. Enjoy your healthy and yummy homemade fruit roll-ups. I'm Beth Saltz from Nutrition in the Kitchen. Thanks for watching.